Hello guys, this is Govardhan Sathik. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve some JEE mains and advanced question from kinematics. Before entering into the video, a small appeal from my side. Before solving any question, please try it on yourself. Okay, let's get started. A body is thrown vertically upwards. Which of the following correctly represent velocity time graph? Okay, pause the video and try it on yourself. We know V equals to U plus AT, but V equals to minus GT in this case. For a freely falling body, acceleration is acceleration due to gravity, which is towards Earth, negative. So V equals to minus GT plus U. By the basics of straight line, Y equals to mx plus c, where Y is the velocity and x is the time. Here we can see that slope is negative and it forms a straight line. When it forms a straight line, so easily these three couldn't be the options because this 3 doesn't form a straight line. Only this forms a straight line. So this is the correct option. Okay, entering into the next question. The coordinates of moving particle at any time t are given by x equal to alpha t cube and y equal to beta t cube, where alpha and beta are constants. The speed of the particle at any time t is given by. This was once asked in main 2003. Okay, pause the video and try it on yourself. Here are the 4 options. Okay. We know x equal to alpha t cube. Velocity, x component of velocity is dx by dt. That is equal to differentiation of alpha t cube with respect to t. By differentiating alpha t cube, we get 3 alpha t square, and similarly y component of velocity is equal to dy by dt. By differentiating beta t cube, we get 3 beta t square. But here in the question we were asked speed of the particle. Speed of the particle is nothing but root over vx square plus vy square, that is root over 3 alpha t square whole square plus 3 beta t square whole square. By simplifying it, we get speed of the particle is equal to 3t square into root over alpha square plus beta square. Okay, entering into the second question. A body starts from rest at time t equal to 0. The acceleration time graph is shown in the figure. The maximum velocity attained by the body will be. Here are the options and this is the graph. Okay, looking into the graph, we say this is AT graph. As I said in the earlier video, area under AT graph is nothing but change in velocity. That is nothing but V2 minus V1. Okay, by finding out area under graph, that is a triangle. So half into base into height, we get 55 meter per second square. V2 minus V1 is equal to 55 meter per second square. From the question, we got to know that V1 is equal to 0. So V2 equal to 55 meter per second square. At this point, velocity is 55 meter per second square. And since there is no acceleration from that time, velocity doesn't change. Okay, next question. Depict the shown velocity displacement graph in acceleration displacement graph. This is the advanced question from 2005. Okay, this is the question. Please note it down, and these are the options. Try it on yourself. Okay, I am solving it. Equation of the curve. From basic straight lines, we get x by a equal to x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where a is x-intercept and b is y-intercept. From this graph, we can say that v by v naught is equal to x by x naught equal to 1. V is equals to 1 minus x by x naught into v naught. Keeping it aside, we know a equals to dv by dt, and dv by dt, by multiplying and dividing by dx, we get a equal to v dv by dx, and we know dv by dx is nothing but the slope of the graph. Slope of dv by dx is nothing but slope of this graph, that is v0 minus 0 by 0 minus v0, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We get to know that that is equal to minus v naught by x naught into v. V is left over here. Okay. We know the velocity from here. By taking it, we get acceleration is equal to v naught square x by x naught square minus v naught square by x naught. Comparing it with minus y equals to mx plus c, we get to know that slope is positive. In this 4 option, in which case the slope is positive? Only in this case. So remaining all are false, and it forms a negative y-intercept. This doesn't form a negative y-intercept, it forms a positive one. And remaining, although remaining forms a negative y-intercept, they don't have positive slope. This has slope is equal to 0, and this has negative slope. So our answer would be A. Okay.